Hey brilliant explorers, welcome to another enlightening session of 3D questions from Steamspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, your guide to help you master your science state assessment. Today, we're venturing into the world of solutions and solubility. Ready to put your thinking caps on? Let's jump into a scenario that tests your knowledge of physical changes and properties. So now let's imagine this. A student heats 300 milliliters of water to about 60 degrees Celsius and mixes in 8 grams of sugar. After stirring the mixture for 20 seconds, we're curious about the outcomes we might observe. You'll need to pick 2 correct responses. Here's your game plan, using our keen observation skills. Let's ponder the solubility of sugar in water. Solubility tells us about a substance's ability to dissolve. So how well do you think sugar dissolves in warm water? Contemplate the nature of sugar and water, considering their physical states at 60 degrees Celsius. How might they interact with each other? Now let's examine one of the hypothetical options as a starting point. The choice suggesting the sugar will dissolve. These are some guiding questions to consider. Let's think about the temperature of the water and the quantity of sugar. How likely is that the sugar will fully dissolve? How does the solubility of substances like sugar change with the water's temperature? This discussion prompts you to think about temperature's role in affecting the solubility of substances such as sugar and water. Now it's your moment to shine, applying this line of thought to other possible choices. Evaluate if sugar, given its density relative to water, would either sink or float. Reflect on whether dissolving sugar could change the water's appearance from clear to a cloudier colored state. Consider if the water's clarity remains after the sugar has dissolved. Approach each choice thoughtfully, drawing on your understanding of solutions, solubility, and the behaviors of sugar and water. So go ahead and share your insights with classmates or write down your reasoning. This exercise isn't just about identifying correct answers, but about jumping into the reasons behind each potential observation. So let's tackle this question with curiosity and analytical thinking. So go ahead and embark on this journey to uncover the mysteries of solubility and physical changes in mixtures.